In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add video in Behance portfolio. Start by heading to Behance, log in, and look for the Share Your Work button at the top. Choose Project to open the project editor. This is your canvas, where you'll build everything for the page your audience will see. Take a moment to get familiar with the toolbar. This is where you'll add media and text and control how your project looks. If you want to upload a video file from your computer, click the Video File Audio button inside the editor. Select your file and let it process. Common formats like MP4 usually work well, and a compressed, web-ready file will upload faster and play more smoothly. As the video uploads, you'll see it appear on the page with a player. You can drag it to reposition within the project if you've added other content, and you can play it back to confirm the audio and visuals look right. This option keeps everything hosted right on Behance and is a great choice if you want a simple, all-in-one setup. If you prefer to use a video that's already on YouTube or Vimeo, click the Embed Media icon in the toolbar. Paste the link or the iframe embed code from your video. Links from YouTube or Vimeo usually detect automatically, but the embed code gives you more precise control if you've customized the player on those platforms. Make sure your video is set to public or unlisted so it's viewable. Embedding can be helpful if you want to retain view counts, captions, or playlists managed on those platforms. Once your video is in place, finalize the project details. Add a clear, searchable title, then write a concise description that explains the context, what the project is, your role, tools used, and what viewers should notice. Add relevant tags, like motion design, so your work is easier to discover. Before publishing, review the layout. Check spacing, readability, and that the video plays correctly. Skim for typos and make sure the order of content tells a coherent story. If possible, glance at the page on a different screen size to ensure it still looks good when everything feels right. Click Publish. Your project goes live and is ready to share with clients, collaborators, and the Behance community.